To my channel. I'm still in the spirit of the fact that it is 2018. I'm so excited. How cute is this beanie? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. It's so cute. But today I want to do a simple project. I just wanted to do a DIY easy vision board. I'm really excited because I did one last year. My cousin got me into it actually. She had a vision board party where she just had magazines laying out everywhere. But this year I'm taking it to a whole nother level, and I wanted to show you how you can make it into a spot in your home. You can actually make it a part of your decor rather than just having a poster board hanging on the wall. So I got this wired rack from Hobby Lobby, and basically I wanted to take this so that I can hang it on the wall and actually make it a part of my office, because then I'll actually look at it. I think it'll look cool, and then it'll be a reminder constantly of the goals and the reminders I have set for the new year. Because it's 2018, baby! I'm so excited. So I just wanted to get started on this project. I'll show you how to make it. Basically, it's so simple. All you need is scissors, a stapler. I grabbed a stapler and said tape. You need scissors, a stapler, you need tape, and then for me, for example, I'm gonna be doing this, so I'm using these little, whatever these are called. I forgot what these are called. What are these called? Whatever, these things. And let's jump right into this. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know if you do a vision board project as well. Tag me in it if you do. My Instagram is @itsken, because I would love to see yours as well. If you have any other ideas or projects or things you would like me to go over this year, please let me know. I'm always looking for new ideas and things that you guys want to see. Please turn on your bell notifications and let's jump into it. Woo woo! Super duper excited, and I wanted to go over a little bit of what I did with you guys. So basically I just kind of made it more into like a motivational board, and I did a world because I really want to travel. I put enjoy every moment of life because I think that's super important. I want to keep up my blog, so I did fashion and beauty with like a little girl. I put laugh lots because I think it's super important to laugh, to love yourself, I put a piggy bank to save money. And then this I created, and it says create, so I want to stay creative and, you know, just like make sure all my ideas come true. And then it says first comes love, so to do everything with love. To plan, I want to plan a lot more this year and to make sure that I keep a plan and I stick to my plan. And then I put bikini season because it's very important to keep working out for the summer. I have savor the memories and the savings. So for this, savor the memories because I love taking pictures and to keep doing that. And the savings to me reminds me of the piggy bank, which is to save my money. And then I put do because I want to actually do things. I want to put them down on paper and make them happen this year. And then adventure, to dream, to keep my dreams. I put my name this so that I could actually remember to have fun. And then I put this quote that says, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. And I really like that because I think it's important to go to bed early sometimes, to wake up, to keep on going and stay motivated. And then last but not least, I put to love myself, to invest in myself. And then this one says, love your body and nourish it every curve. That's why I only drink the purest water of them. So basically I wanted to show that I need to drink water every day. So I mostly made it into reminders and motivation. So I hope you guys do this. It was super fun and it kept me really excited for the new year, and I cannot wait to put this in my office. I will show you what to do with it right now.